Welcome to Anything's Cross-Thread Garage. Today we're on a little road trip, me and the boy, working on a new project. We went and got parts for HR, our new project. It was 100 miles round trip, and if you look here you can kind of figure out what it's going to be. Right now we're in Germany Valley, looking at the beautiful view. It's in between Seneca Rocks and Franklin.
Falling down to you.
I'm just gonna fall into a fence here. Say hi to him.
Hi.
Beautiful fall day. Got about 2 hours to get home, and then we're unloading everything. Huh, bud? Alrighty. Alright, before we get ahead of ourselves here, after getting these parts and stuff, got a 2001 Nissan Frontier here. It's been hitting the front, and I'm going to put it back on the road here so I can use it for a daily since I sold the Volvo. So there's a little quick update and story on that. Let's go ahead and get back to the video here, and we'll start getting this Nissan put together. I was going to work on a trailer today, but Dom started messing with this truck, so broke.
Seriously?
Yeah, seriously.
The whole thing? The bolt
did.
The bolt did?
Yeah.
It was too rusty, I think. Way too rusty, I think.
Are you taking it off?
No, I can't.
Why? Huh?
It's broken.
No, well, it's broken, but that means you can't take it off. We gotta find all the bolts.
Would I break? They're powerful. They're powerful. Don't tell me this one's gonna be powerful too. Did that thing clean off? Oh, you need that. Bro, I'll go smash that.
Bro, you're making a mess on my floor.
Oh my god.
Alright, can't get to my fender bolts. Get this old bumper off here. This thing disassembled. Trash.
That plate is heavy. No, which one is heavy? I think this.
Tearing apart is the most easiest job on any project, really.
No, there you go.
But I don't know how far hopefully I get enough pieces. I don't know what the extent of the damage is until I get this thing stripped down.
You have enough pieces, Daddy.
Huh?
I think you have enough pieces.
You think I got enough pieces?
Yeah.
I hope so.
Daddy, can I step on this?
Yeah.
Is it really that strong?
Yeah, that's strong.
Ding dong! Hey, the YouTube thing is already on.
Yep.
You don't even need to put it on now.
So we can get progress in the tear down.
Now it's smooth. It's rough right here. Now it's nice and smooth.
Body work. No, not really.
I'm sanding these, and my dad said I could paint them. Which you all know, Anthony, Tony, he has 2 names.
Blue.
Yeah. What? Blue goes good with red.
Just pull around the lid. Pull in different spots. Pull in different spots. There you go.
I think blue and red would look good together, so
Alright.
don't judge me.
We'll wipe them off.
With what? This?
Yeah, wipe off the dust you just created. See when you seen it. See still the dirt coming off? Yeah, like this.
Okay.
See? If not the paint don't stick to dust.
Oh, right.
Well, it sticks to dust, but the dust don't stick to the metal, so it'll flake off real fast.
And then we won't, and then we'll just have black.
Yeah.
Beautiful blue.
Beautiful blue. Alright, we got the sheet metal off.
Okay, got you done.
It's a little concerning on this side. The frame's fine on the truck. Wish I would have kept further back on that parts truck. You can see here how this is pushed back and twisted and how it's buckled right here. Which is not good.
Not good at all.
Not good at all. So we'll get finish disassembling, get the battery out of it and everything, and see what we can do with this, if anything. We might be able to cut it off here and then start working it with a hammer and stuff and try to pull it back after we get the bent part, the severely bent part off.
Man, that's beautiful. Yeah? What? What are you painting?
Oh, don't paint so close, see how you make it run?
Dang it. What is he You're painting? gonna have to
Well,
try.
see like this.
What are you painting?
You gotta move fast.
Okay.
Did you shake it up? Shake it up again.
Whoops, that was bad. Can I do it?
No, she sanded it, so she can do it. Just light coats.
There. Oh,
Don't flip it over. Just wait for we'll wait for the side to dry, then we'll flip it over.
Can I do that one?
No,
No, I sanded it.
you sanded it. You didn't. Hard work before you paint. Painting's the fun part of it. No, you wouldn't side. I know you wouldn't side on your own.
As you can see, we have the windshield wipers painted blue. Blue and red goes good with each other, right? We're just letting it dry a little bit. Why did that? Well, why actually? We're letting it dry. Letting it dry, and then we can flip it over, start again. Well, not again, well, you know what I mean.
You want to say?
Yes. Put another coat on it,
Yes.
which is our bottom.
Well, you need to put another coat on top here.
Yeah. You can do that.
Yeah, these little cars now aren't like the old ones where everything bolts together. I gotta drill all the spot welds out to get this floor support off. And then I'm gonna try to straighten this structure out. So, all should be fine. Still drilling. Drilled all these holes out here. Hopefully that's enough. I'll start hitting with the air hammer here, see if I can get this thing popped off. All right, like 500 drills here later. Time to get the last bit of it out here. There. Core support off. Alrighty. Came into the frame here a little bit. Not really worried about that. Doesn't look like it's shoved too far back. Looks like it just dented the cross member. Don't look like it shoved the frame rails back. This right here, this is down, shoved back. This needs to come up and out, which I don't think it's going to be that hard to do once I find some way to grab a hold of it. And also, gonna bolt, sharp. I'm bolt the mount here too and try to get it freed up and see if I can't get it pulled. And I still got the mounts and everything on my parts clip there. So we'll see what we can do here. Then I gotta take it all apart and prep it and get it ready to reassemble on here. Let's go ahead and bolt that. There. Oh, relaxed here a little bit. Alright, got a little bit of a situation going on here. See if we can't get this pulled out here. All right, we'll roll this back up now. I get that pulled out about where I need it. I get to start prepping this front end. I'm gonna cut that mount off and weld on a different one. Get that lined up. I'll bring it back in when I'm ready to start assembling or something. I don't know. Alrighty, well, a little excitement here. I'm gonna disassemble this whole front end just like I did on the one that was on the truck and get it stripped down so it's easier to handle, but then also I gotta drill all the spot welds out again. And then I have to dolly out all my bends and everything else. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that done. Let's get this knocked out. Tore apart. I'll bring it back in when I'm starting to mount it. Lord have mercy. Do I got myself a mess. So this is all cut away and free. It's just a core support now. So now, once I get this all boogered up, now I gotta start working out the kinks before I start clamping it. Don't remember how these are. Radiator support, the new used radiator support, got it clamped in position. You see me dolly and hammer, and I'm gonna still have to do a little bit more of that and get everything tight, and really gonna have to work on this dent, this mount, and try to get it somewhere close and usable. Right now the radiator support's off the frame.
Thank you for your time, sir. Recording.
All right, got this all start getting it all tacked into place here. I'm lined up. Just got to tack this side over here. And I'll be done with it. Bolting, bolt the body mount down on this side and then already start putting stuff back on it. Alright. Horse porch welded in, tight, straight, hung one fender. It's about decent.
It's right here.
Got the new radiator, got the old shroud in. See if we can get this put in.
That's not it. Yeah, it is. Well, it's not the one that I dropped it on. That's the one that's attached.
We took these stupid things off last time because they're in my toolbox.
Wait.
Yeah, there we go. This supposed to sit down. And the stupid freaking automatic just took them out again. Yeah, like that. Alright, just did some quick spray here on the spot welds. We'll go ahead and get this new bumper mount put on. Perfect. Yeah.
Ooh, it's recording. Ooh, it's recording.
I was supposed to have a bar across the bottom here, but I don't know if I'll be able to get it fastened on because the frame's not the same as the full drive. Now we gotta see if this light will work with these old ones. So far, we're not looking good. All right, get that cut loose. looks the same. They'll probably plug up while they're working on it. We'll see. Huh. I'm good. The kids are playing with everything. There, slide into that. Maybe I bolt this up. I don't know if they got a spacer plate in there or not. I might. Jennifer, stop recording. Jennifer, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. Alright. Get the fenders hung. The lights in. Dominic's in the truck. Let's go ahead and put this front bumper on. Then we'll raise it up, and then I'll start looking for, raise up, get this front bumper on, then I'll start looking for the freaking radiator mounts again. I have no idea where they're at. What?
Why didn't you? Radio.
Look at that. I don't know what he did with it.
Well, that's good. And this thing really needs to wash.
Yeah. Easy enough. Let's get started. There. On. Ish. Alright, get close to button her up here. Of course, I already showed you putting the bumper on. Got it on. Had some extra bolts. Zip tie some brackets back in place. Actually, bolt some back in place. Tires are on. Got the lower radiator clamp on. This is kind of whatever. Broke. And we'll go ahead and drain the oil on it here and put some fresh oil in it. And then we'll get back to the top here, see if we can get the cowl on. Or get the wipers on, get the hood on. Alrighty. Got the radiator buckled down. Got the air cleaner all put back together. We are ready to put the hood on. The oil's been filled. Let's see if I can handle this big old hood myself. Can or not. Alright, see how close we are here. Too mad at that. Really look like the back of the fender gets brought in.
There.
Yeah. It's okay. Oh, great.
Now can I take it down?
Put it down a little bit more and you pop the hood.
And we'll pay down to the ground. It's brand new.
Yep. Yeah, fill it up. Boy, wants to get for a test drive. We're not even ready yet. We'll come back here and look at the tail light. Old Hit and Run had its own Hit and Run. By the previous owner. There we go.
Get it. Can I get it? Are you thinking about the coming car sister?
Now I'm fixing the tail light. Alright, thank you, Dom. Got some more water, top her off here. Oh yeah. Alright, got the limit here with the back latch. Oh no, this is bent out. Needs to be bent in. Might just be wore somewhat. It's not working real well, but I'm gonna go ahead and bend it. Bend it. Let's see if I can get back in there now. Alright. Hopefully that'll work. We'll spray all that down. We'll spray all that down real good too. See if we can get this working again. Try to save us some money on buying a handle. There we go. Put the cover back on. See the quick fix fixed. Like butter. Well, it's revving up good. It ain't like an old gas there. Sitting there shaking a little bit. Yep.
Okay. Burnout over it.
Hold on to the camera. Got hold of it? Ooh, smells like rotten eggs in here. That's in Anthony's cross-trade garage. We got this Nissan back on the road, and now we gotta get legal. All right, Dawn?
Yep.
We'll see you next time.
These are water, like gas opener.
A lot of gas opener.
I think. Okay. Take it in the